Well, in this video I'm going to show you how can we create a ticker animation like this, and we can call it infinite loop. So whatever, let's go to our Webflow. First of all, as usual, I will take a section. I always start with a section and container. Okay, I'll make a background for better understand. Okay, now I will take container. Okay, inside this container now I'm going to add a div. I will name the div, what can I name? Ticker animation wrapper. Okay, and the div I will make its height. I will add some padding on this div, 30 pixel on top and bottom, and I will color it with blue. Yes. Now inside of this div I'm going to add some images to make a logo holder. So suppose I will take another div. I'll name it logo holder, and now I'm going to add some images. Okay, image. First of all, I will upload this one, then I will duplicate it. 4, 5. Now I will change all these images. Okay, I have successfully uploaded all my 5 images. Now what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'll make it that logo holder a flex. Okay, and I will make it space between in x, right, or space around. So in x direction it has been space around it. Now what I am going to do is I am going to duplicate this logo holder. Now I want them to stay horizontally, so I am going to select that ticker animation wrapper, make it flex. Now I will go to logo holder and I will make it minimum height, minimum width 100%, and that wrapper I'm going to make it overflow hidden. Our job is done. Right now we have to go for interaction, so I'm going to select that logo holder and going to interaction, and I want to add a page load animation. So click on page ticker, page load, then start an action, start an animation. Okay, I have already added one, so I'm going to delete them. Okay, so I'll image ticker animation. Now click on this plus icon and select move. So first of all I want to make it move minus 100%, and duration will be 10 seconds, and select from selection item element I'm choosing class. Okay, now I'll make a duplicate once, Ctrl D, select and duplicate, and the first one I'm going to make it 0 0. Our job is done. Just save and make it loop. That's all. Now if we go to preview, let's see the magic. Our animation is going smoothly, beautifully. Okay, so it was all for today. I hope you enjoyed and liked my video. If you really like, then please subscribe. So till then, stay healthy. Tata, goodbye.